Are corporate managers being overworked? At first glance, if you're not a manager, you might think they get paid more and they should work more, which is true to a certain degree, but unfortunately in the long term, the business and the employees suffer if managers are overworked. A research firm, Gartner, showed that in 2017, one manager managed roughly 5 employees, but data from 2023 shows they were managing 15 employees. Corporate boards and upper management view less managers and employees as a sign of company strength, as they can make more money with less people. But the reality is, when a manager has more people to manage, they are unable to spend as much time with each employee, which means they have to cut out things such as helping employees with career goals. Also, you got to think about building a relationship with that employee or helping with productivity in their jobs. I mean, essentially mentorship. You're losing out on a lot of those benefits in that one-to-one relationship. Some managers now are using AI tools that will handle routine approvals and not spending any time with employees going over important items, which obviously can be dangerous. Going back to 1950, Peter Drucker came up with and developed a management style where managers set objectives, motivated workers, and helped develop them throughout their careers. Managers were not just supervisors, but also too would build trust to inspire employees and help them understand their sense of purpose with the company they were working at. The theory worked well, very well, for nearly 70 years, but now many employees feel less engaged because they don't get feedback from their managers. In fact, in a recent Gallup survey, more than 50% of employees don't really know what is expected of them. Across U.S. public companies, the number of managers has dropped over 6% in just the last 3 years. This may be great for the bottom line. However, I do think long term it will hurt productivity as employees become lost in the corporation or move on to another job because there's no connection to the company or a manager. So again, it's kind of weighing that short-term profitability versus long-term profitability, which could be dinged. I'm Chase Wilsey with Wilsey Asset Management. If you like these videos, be sure to give it a like or comment. Feel free to check out our other YouTube videos and weekly newsletter for latest economic news, expert analysis, and market insights.